This is Kay, and you requested information about that passive income business that I've been telling you about all week. So if you haven't gotten that information, right, because what I would have done, I would have came back here on YouTube and actually leave you a message to tell you where to go get all that information. Or if you're on the newsletter, I would have sent you that information through those newsletter blasts that I've been sending out. So if you haven't gotten it, definitely reach back out to me and request it so I could get that back to you. So for the folks who requested that information, you've seen it. You've seen how awesome it is. That's fantastic. For those who haven't requested it, you definitely want to request your own copy to see what this thing is all about. So with that out of the way, right now what I'm working on is actually getting some marketing materials together for my team to help people on my team to get this even running much faster. So I've been, doing some brainstorming, coming up with some stuff in terms of what I would love to do for the team. And what I'm actually putting together is, the idea of making a rotator for the team. And I'm looking to make that a free rotator for my team. And of course, I can't do it for everyone, right? Because it would involve a lot of work. And, it would just slow down the rotator. So I will put a limit to that. I'm also looking into making, team co-op advertising packages where we could advertise as a team and you get, a very huge discount in terms of doing your marketing. Another thing I'm looking at is actually doing the marketing for people. So actually a done for you marketing system where I create different pages for you and actually market for you on your behalf. The other thing I'm looking to do is also do trainings where I show you how I'm actually doing this and getting results with it. So some great things coming out very soon, but I'm actually in that process since I just really got started with this and putting everything together. So that would take a little bit of time. So if you want notifications and updates about, when all this stuff is coming out, when I get all this stuff together, as I put it together, you definitely want to be on the notification list because it's very difficult for me to come back here, say on YouTube, and actually respond to everyone with every update that I have. So if you haven't requested your information about this passive income business, number one, you need to request it. I can't, really tell you about this stuff on this video and explain the entirety of a program. So you definitely want to request it and check it out for yourself. That's always the best way in terms of getting information about a business. The second thing you want to do is get on my notification list because that's where I send out updates, training, bonuses, whatever I have that will help you. That's where I send it out. The next thing you want to do is, once you request your information, is definitely look it over, really check things out, and then start, implement that stuff so you can actually get results in this kind of business. This business is really simple. It's a passive income business, but, if you're a go-getter, you're going to see an opportunity where you could even make it work better for you. So that's it for me in this update video. What I'm working on right now is just training, updates, and creating some bonuses for the team. So you want to be on that notification list. Of course, I'll put that information below. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.